Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name's Emma if you're new here. We do lots of sewing over here, and if you are new, I would love if you subscribe to join our little sewing family over here. But yeah, in today's video I'm doing actually I think one of my first thrift flips for myself. I've done one for my best friend Erica in the past, but yeah, I haven't done too many of these, so this was really fun to do. I hope to do more in the future. In this video, I take a jumpsuit I bought. I really like it as a jumpsuit, but I found I could only really wear it casually, like on the weekends and stuff, and I figured I would get more use out of it if I turned it into a pair of pants. And then eventually I'll probably do something with the top, but I'm not too sure what I'm gonna do with it. But yeah, that's it for me. Let's jump right into this thrift flip. Okay, so I took off the top half of the jumpsuit. Now I'm going to try it on and take in the sides, because I know this jumpsuit was a bit big on me before doing all these alterations. So I know I'm going to have to take it in a little bit, and then we'll check in and I'll talk you through the next steps, I guess. This is my first real thrift flip in a long time, so I'm not really sure how to explain it. But yeah, so I'm going to try these on and we're going to take in the side seams. Okay, so they only need to be taken in a little bit at the sides. Here, let me take it. Also, I did not plan my shirt correctly. But yeah, so since we have this shearing detail in the back, I'm going to take in the sides just a bit. And I'm going to take it in based on where how much I need at the seam between the waistband and the pants, just since that's where they're gonna sit, not up here under my boobs. So yeah, we'll just pin that up, and then I'll take them off and we'll sew it, and then I'll show you how to kind of finish this waistband. So as you can see, I went straight down through the waistband and then started to taper in to the side seams. This is about 3.5 inches from the waistband to where it tapers into the original seam. And then I did 5/8 of an inch in on both sides. Okay, so now I'm just checked that it fits good. I'm going to serge off this excess fabric from the side seams that we just took in, and then I'm going to press all this top edge to be kind of like this front part that's already folded like this, so that it's all like that all the way around, because the back wasn't like that, but the front pieces were. Yeah, so we're gonna do that. Okay, so time to fill you in on what I did off camera here, just because I At the end of that last clip, you could see I was kind of confused because the buttonholes lined up weird with folding it over in half, because the buttonhole wasn't perfectly in the halfway point, because the waistband actually tapers up at this center button fly. So what I did is I cut out the button chunk and then just put a new one in. So now we're going to do what we were originally doing, which was folding over and pinning it down so that we can stitch in the stitch and seal the waistband. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do now. Okay, so I finished off the waistband. It's all enclosed around the outside. And then I went in and I did the white detailing stitches that are on the entire pair of pants. This pants now was jumpsuit. And so now I just need to add the buttonhole here. So I marked out where I want it to start. And I'll just do my buttonhole. And then we add the button. And then these pants are all done. I think though I might just stitch these down, because the few times I wore this as a jumpsuit, they never wanted to stay nice and smooth. So I might just stitch that down with a decorative white stitch as well, but I'm not too sure. So yeah, we'll go make that buttonhole. Okay, so the buttonhole's made. I did it in white since there's a lot of white thread throughout. I didn't have the exact same color on hand. So I think it adds a nice little like pop on that top button. But yeah, all that's left now is to attach the button here, and then these are all done. Who's ready to see the final pair of pants? So yeah, that's how you turn a jumpsuit into a pair of pants. You could apply this to any jumpsuit you find at the thrift store that you don't really love the top half, but you love the bottom half. Or even you just love the pattern of the bottom half and you can modify it slightly to fit your style. Like if it's a super wide leg pant, you could turn it into a pair of pants kind of like this style, or maybe a flare or skinny, whatever you have in mind. You can definitely apply this to any jumpsuit. If you do, I would love if you tagged me in your photos. Here's my Instagram handle. And yeah, I will see you in the next one. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.